Neutralizer or potentializer plugs are devices used in ungrounded electrical systems to indicate the presence of a ground fault. They typically consist of a small plug with a neon indicator light or an LED. The plug is inserted into a receptacle or outlet that is connected to the system's neutral point. In an ungrounded system, the normal condition is for the voltage to be balanced between the two conductors. If a ground fault occurs, the voltage on one conductor drops, while the voltage on the other conductor increases. The potentializer plug detects this imbalance and illuminates its indicator light. There are two primary types of indicators, the neon indicator and the LED indicator. The neon indicator emits a faint reddish-orange glow when a voltage imbalance is detected, while the LED indicator emits a brighter, more visible light in the same color range as neon lights. The potentializer plug is connected to the system's neutral point, which is essentially the midpoint of the system's voltage. In normal operation, the voltage on both conductors is equal, so there is no potential difference between the neutral point and the ground. When a ground fault occurs, the voltage on one conductor drops, and the voltage on the other conductor increases. This creates a potential difference between the neutral point and the ground. The potentializer plug senses this potential difference and illuminates its indicator light. The benefits of neutralizer plugs are threefold. Firstly, they provide a quick and easy way to identify ground faults in ungrounded systems. Secondly, they help prevent electrical fires or other hazards caused by undetected ground faults. Thirdly, they facilitate troubleshooting and maintenance of electrical systems. In electrical systems, understanding grounding and ground fault detection is crucial for safety and reliability. Ungrounded systems, while less common than grounded systems, offer certain advantages but require specialized monitoring to detect ground faults. A ground fault is an unintentional connection between a conductor and ground, which can lead to dangerous situations if not detected and addressed promptly. Neutralizer or potentializer plugs are one method used to detect these faults in ungrounded systems. Now let us delve a little deeper into ungrounded electrical systems. Unlike grounded systems, which have a direct connection to ground, ungrounded systems are designed to operate without a direct ground reference. This means that under normal conditions, the voltage is balanced between the conductors, and there is no current flow to ground. The primary advantage of an ungrounded system is its ability to continue operating even with a single ground fault. In a grounded system, a single ground fault will typically cause the circuit breaker to trip, shutting down the affected circuit. However, in an ungrounded system, the first ground fault will not cause an immediate interruption of power. This can be advantageous in critical applications where downtime is unacceptable. However, it is important to note that an ungrounded system is not immune to ground faults. While the first ground fault may not cause an immediate outage, it does create a potential hazard. If a second ground fault occurs on a different conductor, it will create a short circuit, resulting in a high current flow and potentially causing a fire or equipment damage. Therefore, it is essential to detect and address ground faults in ungrounded systems as quickly as possible. This is where ground detection indicator systems, such as those using neutralizer or potentializer plugs, come into play. These systems provide a means of monitoring the system for ground faults and alerting personnel when a fault is detected. Neutralizer or potentializer plugs are simple yet effective devices for indicating the presence of a ground fault in an ungrounded system. As mentioned earlier, they typically consist of a small plug with a neon or LED indicator light. The plug is inserted into a receptacle or outlet connected to the system's neutral point. The neutral point is the electrical midpoint of the system's voltage. In a balanced system, the voltage on each conductor is equal with respect to the neutral point. However, when a ground fault occurs, the voltage balance is disrupted. The voltage on the faulted conductor will drop, while the voltage on the other conductor will increase. This voltage imbalance creates a potential difference between the neutral point and ground. The potentializer plug detects this potential difference and illuminates its indicator light, providing a visual indication of the ground fault. The type of indicator used in the potentializer plug can vary. Neon indicators are a traditional option, emitting a faint reddish-orange glow when a voltage imbalance is detected. LED indicators are a more modern alternative, offering a brighter and more visible light in the same color range. LED indicators also tend to be more energy efficient and have a longer lifespan than neon indicators. The function of the potentializer plug is based on the principle of voltage division. In a normal, balanced system, the voltage is evenly divided between the conductors. However, when a ground fault occurs, the fault impedance effectively creates a voltage divider, causing the voltage to shift. The potentializer plug is designed to sense this voltage shift and provide an indication. It is important to understand that potentializer plugs are not intended to protect the system from ground faults. They are simply indicators that a ground fault has occurred. Once a ground fault is detected, it is necessary to take appropriate action to locate and repair the fault. This may involve using specialized test equipment to trace the fault current and identify the location of the ground fault. In addition to potentializer plugs, there are other types of ground detection indicator systems available for ungrounded systems. These include ground fault detectors, which use current transformers to monitor the current flow in the system. When a ground fault occurs, a portion of the fault current will return to the source through the grounding system. The current transformer detects this current flow and triggers an alarm or trip signal. Ground fault detectors are typically more sensitive than potentializer plugs and can detect smaller ground faults. They are also capable of providing more information about the fault, such as the magnitude of the fault current. Another type of ground detection system is the ground impedance monitor. This system measures the impedance between the system's neutral point and ground. In a normal system, the impedance should be very high. However, when a ground fault occurs, the impedance will decrease. The ground impedance monitor detects this decrease in impedance and provides an alarm or trip signal. The choice of ground detection system will depend on the specific requirements of the application. Potentializer plugs are a simple and cost-effective option for indicating ground faults in small to medium-sized ungrounded systems. Ground fault detectors and ground impedance monitors are more sophisticated options that can provide more sensitive and comprehensive ground fault protection for larger and more critical systems. Regardless of the type of ground detection system used, it is essential to have a regular maintenance and testing program in place. This will ensure that the system is functioning properly and that ground faults are detected and addressed promptly. Regular testing should include visual inspections of the potentializer plugs or other indicator devices, as well as electrical testing to verify the sensitivity and accuracy of the system. It is also important to train personnel on the proper operation and maintenance of the ground detection system. Personnel should be able to recognize the indications of a ground fault and take appropriate action to locate and repair the fault. In summary, ground detection indicator systems are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of ungrounded electrical systems. Neutralizer or potentializer plugs are a simple and cost-effective option for indicating ground faults, while ground fault detectors and ground impedance monitors provide more sophisticated protection for larger and more critical systems. Regular maintenance and testing are crucial for ensuring that the ground detection system is functioning properly and that ground faults are detected and addressed promptly. Now let us explore some additional considerations regarding the application of neutralizer or potentializer plugs in ungrounded electrical systems. Firstly, it is important to ensure that the potentializer plugs are properly rated for the voltage and current of the system. Using plugs that are not properly rated can lead to inaccurate readings or even damage to the plugs. Secondly, the potentializer plug should be installed in a location that is easily accessible for visual inspection. This will allow personnel to quickly identify ground faults and take appropriate action. Thirdly, it is important to keep the potentializer plugs clean and free of debris. Dust and dirt can accumulate on the plugs and interfere with their operation. Fourthly, the potentializer plug should be replaced periodically, as the indicator lights can dim or fail over time. A regular replacement schedule will ensure that the plugs are functioning properly and providing accurate indications of ground faults. Fifthly, when installing potentializer plugs, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Improper installation can lead to inaccurate readings or even damage to the plugs. Sixthly, it is important to note that potentializer plugs are not a substitute for a properly designed and installed grounding system. They are simply an indicator of ground faults and should be used in conjunction with other safety measures. Seventhly, potentializer plugs should not be used in hazardous locations, such as areas where flammable materials are present. In these locations, more specialized ground fault protection equipment is required. Eighthly, it is important to consider the environment in which the potentializer plugs will be used. In harsh environments, such as those with high humidity or corrosive atmospheres, the plugs may need to be protected from the elements. Ninthly, when selecting potentializer plugs, it is important to consider the type of indicator light. Neon indicators are a traditional option, while LED indicators are a more modern alternative. LED indicators offer several advantages over neon indicators, including brighter light, longer lifespan, and lower energy consumption. Tenthly, it is important to understand the limitations of potentializer plugs. They are not capable of detecting all types of ground faults. For example, they may not be able to detect high impedance ground faults, which are characterized by a low fault current. In these cases, more sensitive ground fault protection equipment may be required. Finally, it is important to remember that ground fault protection is an ongoing process. Regular maintenance, testing, and training are essential for ensuring that the system is functioning properly and that ground faults are detected and addressed promptly. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your ungrounded electrical system is properly protected from ground faults and that personnel are safe from electrical hazards.